Some engines have gained legendary status throughout the history of automobiles due to their remarkable longevity and dependability. These power plants frequently exceed hundreds of thousands of kilometers and reliably provide decades of trouble-free operation. In this video, we will show you the top 10 most reliable engines of all time, celebrated for their durability and engineering excellence. Number 10. Toyota 22R. The Toyota 22R and 22RE engines are now widely recognized for their dependability and durability, particularly in the market for small vehicles and SUVs. The 22R is a 2.4-liter, four-cylinder engine with a single overhead camshaft design and a cast-iron block that was first introduced in the early 1980s. Electronic fuel injection was incorporated by the later introduced 22RE, increasing emissions and efficiency without compromising durability. A unique feature that adds a layer of mechanical forgiveness is the engine's non-interference valve timing, which makes catastrophic valve damage unlikely, even in the event of a timing belt failure. The 22R's uncomplicated cooling system, carburetor, and mechanical fuel pump are all examples of its simplicity, which makes maintenance and repairs easier. Toyota's engineering philosophy of durability above complexity is demonstrated by the fact that many 22R engines have been known to reach 300,000 miles with only regular oil changes, valve adjustments, and timing belt replacements. Number 9. Honda B Series. A major advancement in compact engine technology, Honda's B Series engines, which were manufactured from 1989 to the early 2000s, combined performance and unwavering dependability. These 1.6 to 1.8-liter inline fours were equipped with Honda's revolutionary VTEC system, which maximized lift and valve timing to provide energetic performance at high RPMs and fuel efficiency at low RPMs. Because of its lightweight yet sturdy aluminum block and head, forged connecting rods, and premium bearings, the B Series engines can run easily at 8,000 RPM or higher without suffering catastrophic wear. The engines use a timing belt instead of a chain, which needs to be changed sometimes to prevent failure. However, with the right care, the B Series engines can run for over 200,000 miles with little problems. They were popular in front-wheel drive sport compacts, like the Civic Si and Integra GSR, because of their small size and high revving characteristics. Since many original engines continue to operate dependably for years after undergoing significant modifications, enthusiasts value the B Series for striking a compromise between dependability and tunability. Number 8. Cummins 5.9-liter 12-valve diesel. One of the most admired power plants in the diesel truck industry is the 5.9-liter 12-valve Cummins diesel engine, which was manufactured from 1989 to 1998 and is renowned for its longevity, dependability, and simplicity. The 12-valve Cummins has a mechanical Bosch injection pump, which is simpler to maintain and less likely to break down than contemporary diesels that mostly rely on electronic controls. The engine's cast iron block and forged steel internals can endure the demands of heavy towing and commercial use, and its inline-six design offers exceptional low-end torque and smooth running. With many trucks reaching over 500,000 miles on the original engine, the 12-valve Cummins is renowned for its ability to operate for hundreds of thousands of miles without requiring a significant overhaul. Truckers, farmers, and off-road enthusiasts love it because of its simple design, which makes maintenance simple in the field. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz OM617 diesel. Some of the most robust and long-lasting Mercedes models, such as the W123 and W126 series, are powered by the OM617, a 5-cylinder diesel engine that Mercedes-Benz built from 1974 until 1991. This engine's over-engineered design, which includes a cast-iron block and head, a sturdy fuel injection pump, and little reliance on electronics, is what gives it its reputation for dependability. Despite being less effective than contemporary direct injection, the OM617's indirect injection system lasts longer because it operates cleaner and cooler. It is perfect for heavy-duty and long-distance cruising because of its high torque output and sluggish revving nature. Regular maintenance, including oil changes, valve adjustments, and fuel filter replacements, has allowed owners to record OM617 engines to go well over 500,000 miles. The engine has gained cult status among enthusiasts who value its dependability and simplicity due to its capacity to run on alternative fuels like biodiesel and even vegetable oil. Number 6. Ford 4.9-liter inline 6. Ford's 4.9-liter inline 6, commonly known as the 300, was a mainstay of the company's truck and van portfolio and was manufactured from the early 1960s until the late 1990s. This engine is well known for its dependability, ease of use, and high torque output, which makes it perfect for work vehicles. Strong low-end torque is produced by the 4.9 liters massive displacement, low-revving pushrod valve train, and cast iron block and head. Its straightforward cooling configuration and mechanical fuel system make maintenance and repairs easier. Many copies of the engine have been in service for more than 300,000 miles without requiring substantial rebuilds, demonstrating its legendary durability. Because of its durability and reputation for dependability, the 4.9-liter has come to represent American workhorse engines that can withstand decades of hard use under challenging circumstances. Number 5. Volvo Red Block B230 and B23. From the middle of the 1970s until the 1990s, Volvo produced red block engines, especially the B230 and B23, which powered a variety of Volvo automobiles, including the well-known 240, 740, and 940 series. The characteristic red paint that is sprayed to the engine block during production gives these inline-4 engines their name. The red block is a favorite among enthusiasts searching for a long-lasting, performance-capable engine since it can withstand turbocharging without compromising dependability. Number 4. Subaru EJ series. From the late 1980s until the 2010s, Subaru's all-wheel drive vehicles were powered by the EJ series engines, particularly the EJ22 and EJ25 models. Because of their distinctive flat shape, these horizontally opposed boxer engines reduce the center of gravity of the vehicle and enhance handling. Naturally aspirated EJ engines are renowned for their dependability and smooth running with the right care, such as routine oil changes and timing belt repairs. They may frequently reach 200,000 miles. A favorite among rally fans and everyday drivers alike, the EJ's design lessens vibration and enhances balance, while Subaru's engineering guarantees dependable performance in a range of climates and driving circumstances. Number 3. Chevrolet LS series. When the Chevrolet LS engine family was introduced in the late 1990s, it completely changed the American V8 market by fusing cutting-edge technology with a straightforward pushrod design. Full-size trucks and SUVs, as well as sports vehicles like the Corvette, have LS engines, which have displacements ranging from 4.8 to 7.0 liters. LS engines are well known for their robust bottom end, modular design, forged internals, and ease of maintenance and rebuilding. With regular care, several LS engines have been known to reach 200,000 miles, and their strong aftermarket support has made them popular for performance upgrades and engine swaps. The LS series has established itself as one of the most adaptable and reliable V8 families ever made because to its blend of dependability, power, and efficiency. Number 2. Toyota 1FZ-FE. From the early 1990s to the early 2000s, Toyota developed the 1FZ-FE, a 4.5-liter inline-6 engine, mostly for Land Cruisers and Lexus LX vehicles. Longevity is emphasized in its engineering, with overbuilt parts that can sustain high mileage and heavy loads. Numerous 1FZ-FE engines have traveled more than 300,000 miles, frequently in challenging circumstances with few maintenance resources. The engine is a favorite among overland drivers, expedition drivers, and others who need a dependable power plant in isolated locations due to its reputation for dependability and ease of maintenance. Number 1. Lexus One UZFE. Toyota entered the luxury market in 1989 with the introduction of the Lexus One UZFE, the flagship V8 engine for the new Lexus LS400 luxury vehicle. The One UZFE was engineered to provide refined, quiet, and smooth power with a wide torque curve that is perfect for high-end driving. Because of its engineering's emphasis on endurance and durability, many of its engines have been known to reach over 500,000 miles, with regular maintenance, such as valve adjustments, timing belt replacements, and oil changes. The One UZFE's performance, refinement, and unwavering dependability helped build Lexus's reputation for dependability and quality, while also setting a new benchmark for premium V8 engines. These 10 engines are enduring examples of engineering prowess, demonstrating that dependability and durability can endure a lifetime with careful planning and maintenance. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.